How to upload a spotlight on Snapchat. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, at the bottom left, you're gonna find this option of friends. Click on that. Once you're over here, now click on this option of for you given at the bottom. Now here you're gonna find all the videos that people have uploaded in the spotlight. Now at the top right, you're gonna find this plus icon. Click on that. You're gonna get this kind of pop-up. Submit to Spotlight. Upload a video or create. Select the option of your choice. I'm gonna select the option of create. Now you can shoot the video. Once you are done, at the right hand side, you're gonna find different features of Snapchat. You can use these and edit. Then you can click on preview. You'll be directed to this page. Now check in for the option of Spotlight. Snaps submitted to Spotlight are public and can be remixed and visible to anyone through Snapchat or other services. Just go through this and then click on OK. Click on OK again. Then check in for the option Spotlight. Now I can click on this arrow icon given at the bottom right. With that, the video will be uploaded as a Spotlight. So this way you can easily upload a Spotlight on Snapchat. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.